There is a fountain filled with blood, drawn from Emmanuel's veins, and sinners plunged beneath that flood lose all their guilty stains. The dying thief rejoiced to see that fountain in his day, and there may I, though vile as he, wash all my sins away, wash all my sins away. There is a fountain to cleanse our guilt and shame. There is a fountain to wash our sins away. Dear dying Lamb, thy precious blood shall never lose its power. When on the ransom church of God be saved to sin no more. Yes, since by faith I saw the stream thy flowing won't supply, redeeming love has been my theme and shall be till I die, and shall be till I die. There is a fountain to cleanse our guilt and shame. There is a fountain to wash our sins away. When this poor lisping, stammering tongue lies silent in the grave, then in a nobler, sweeter song I'll sing thy power to save. I'll sing thy power to save.